In the wild, where survival laws reign supreme, strength is often clearly defined by impressive physical characteristics. We immediately picture a lion's rippling muscles as it roars. We also think of a majestic bear's sharp claws, or a great white shark's terrifying teeth lurking in deep waters, primeval weapons. These primal, raw yet extremely effective weapons have become undeniable symbols of absolute predator dominance across all diverse habitats, showcasing their ultimate reign. But is that definition truly complete? What if the most formidable weapon, determining a hunt's success and survival, isn't something easily seen or touched? What if the ultimate weapon isn't rippling muscles or sharp fangs, but hidden within a brain? A brain capable of meticulous calculation and complex planning. This brain, able to set intricate traps, transforms intellect into the ultimate competitive advantage in the harsh, unending struggle for survival in nature. Brain. Welcome back to our channel. In today's special video, we'll set aside rankings of pure muscle strength or speed. Instead, we'll delve into a far more fascinating realm, ranking intelligence. Join me on an unexpected journey to discover 5 predators who transformed their brains into the most formidable, terrifying weapons on the planet. The number 1 spot will surely astonish you with its superior cunning and intelligence. Let's begin this exciting exploration right away. Kicking off our ranking of the smartest predators is a creature easily overlooked in nature due to its tiny, seemingly harmless appearance. The Portia spider. Just the size of our pinky fingernail, this spider hardly looks like a fearsome threat. But don't let its tiny exterior deceive you. For within its minuscule body lies an incredibly cunning mind, operating like a seasoned general, always calculating and planning every hunt with precision. Unlike most spiders that simply spin webs and patiently wait for prey, Portia is an exceptionally active and clear-sighted tactical hunter. Its most formidable hunting weapon isn't venom or speed, but its meticulous planning ability. When Portia identifies potential prey, it never rushes to attack. Instead, it spends hours observing meticulously, calculating every angle, and carefully finding the optimal path for a perfect ambush. This happens even if it means taking a very long detour. After mapping the optimal route, Portia silently moves, sometimes circling through dense foliage, avoiding the prey's sight. It then executes its plan. Suddenly, it slowly lowers itself from above on a thin silk thread, launching a lightning-fast attack from behind or the victim's blind spot, leaving the prey no time to react. This level of problem-solving and complex planning is exceedingly rare, even extraordinary, in such a tiny arthropod. Portia profoundly demonstrates its intelligence. To be a terrifying predator, you don't need immense size or superior strength. You simply need to be smarter than your opponent. Moving up to 4th place on our list is a creature perhaps too familiar with human life, to the point where we often underestimate its extraordinary intelligence. The crow. With its sleek black feathers and sharp eyes, the crow is no ordinary bird. They are often likened to the true scientists of the avian world. Their intelligence isn't just shown through incredible adaptability to diverse habitats, but also how they interact with their surroundings for survival, especially in hunting. Crow intelligence extends beyond solving complex lab puzzles. In natural environments, they apply their sharp minds directly to highly innovative hunting tactics, showcasing true ingenuity. Most astonishingly, crows know how to fashion and use tools, a behavior previously believed exclusive to higher primates, truly remarkable for a bird. Furthermore, crows' tool-using ability extends to dropping hard walnuts onto roads, leveraging passing cars' weight and speed to crack their shells. This makes the kernels easily accessible. Moreover, crows are renowned for teamwork to distract rivals or steal food, remembering enemy faces for years, and significantly, passing these skills to future generations. Squawk. For crows, their entire surroundings potentially become useful tools, and their brain is nature's most versatile and effective toolbox, constantly adapting. Moving closer on the evolutionary tree to humans, at 3rd place we encounter extremely intelligent primates, chimpanzees. We know chimps possess high intellect, with impressive learning and problem-solving abilities. However, when it comes to hunting intelligence, chimpanzees display a completely different level, far beyond what we usually imagine, showing unexpected brutality. Their hunting prowess isn't merely skillful. It's brutal, executed with meticulous calculation and sophisticated strategies, transforming them into the most formidable deep forest hunters. When facing agile, elusive prey like colobus monkeys, chimpanzees never rely on luck or mere instinct. For them, it's a genuine, meticulously planned military operation. The alpha chimpanzee, with superior experience and intelligence, signals, and immediately the entire troop divides into small groups, each with a specific mission. One group blocks escape routes, another skillfully herds the prey into a predetermined position, and finally, an elite group delivers the decisive attack. Each chimpanzee knows their role. Even more astonishing, chimpanzees don't just coordinate hunts. They also possess the ability to craft and use rudimentary weapons, demonstrating advanced cognitive skills. For example, they skillfully sharpen a branch into a simple yet effective spear. This spear is then used to stab into tree hollows or rock crevices. There, small animals, insects, or even smaller primates often hide, allowing chimps to easily capture prey. This clearly proves they are not only the only non-human primates coordinating tactical hunts, but also deliberately developing hunting tools. The unique and effective combination of their resilient physical strength and highly complex, tightly organized social structure has made chimpanzee troops the most formidable hunters in the jungle. Their tactical thinking, seamless member coordination, and the ability to pass on experience to successive generations have optimized every hunting opportunity for the troop. Chimpanzee intelligence not only aids their survival, but also helps maintain their dominant position in challenging environments, making them rivals all prey must respect. Leaving the dense jungles and land predators, let's venture into the vast, deep blue ocean to meet today's runner-up, the bottlenose dolphin. Their friendly smiles and adorable appearance are familiar, creating a gentle and approachable image for many. But don't let that cute exterior deceive you. Hidden within each bottlenose dolphin's head is an incredibly complex and powerful brain, functioning much like a true biological supercomputer. It processes information and executes incredibly sophisticated hunting tactics. To better understand their extraordinary intelligence, let's explore one of the most intelligent and unique hunting tactics ever recorded: mud net feeding. Instead of wasting energy chasing individual prey in endless pursuits, dolphins choose to create a perfect trap, showcasing their remarkable efficiency. One dolphin acts as a pioneer, swimming in a closed circle, stirring up the seabed mud with its tail and mouth. This creates a dense mud wall. Encircled by the mud wall with no escape, the panicked prey fish instinctively leap out of the water, hoping to flee the terrifying trap. Unbeknownst to them, that very action sends them to their doom. Above, other dolphins in the pod await, mouths agape, catching the hapless falling fish. This isn't just coordinated hunting. It's clear evidence of extraordinary creativity, brilliant use of the environment as a tool, and undeniable proof of dolphins' highly developed social intelligence. The mudnet tactic is just one example of how bottlenose dolphins employ their intelligence. They also use echolocation not only for navigation but to stun prey. Their complex communication through clicks and whistles, combined with pod cohesion, allows them to execute calculated and effective hunts. Each hunt is a display of cunning and intellect. This transforms bottlenose dolphins into formidable hunters, affirming their position as superior intellects in the deep ocean, truly remarkable creatures of the sea. And finally, we've reached the highest position, at the pinnacle of hunting intelligence, the absolute and unchallenged ruler of the vast ocean, the orca. This animal isn't merely intelligent in the conventional sense. The most special and impressive aspect of orcas is that they possess what scientists affectionately call hunting culture. Here, culture isn't just instinctive behaviors, but unique tactics learned, developed, and passed down through generations. This creates astonishing diversity in their survival methods. What makes orcas unique is that each pod, living in different geographical areas, develops its own distinct, unique hunting tactics. These are passed down carefully. For example, in the icy Antarctic, orcas are known as brilliant hydraulic engineers. The entire pod coordinates, swimming in precise formation, creating enormous, deliberate waves. These waves are strong enough to wash seals safely resting on ice floes into the water, where they have no escape from the waiting pod. This wave-generating technique is not random. It results from their deep understanding of physics and their environment. The entire orca pod swims together. They create a compressed wave with incredible power. The wave generated is not only large but precisely directed and forceful, tilting the ice floe carrying the seal, making it lose balance. The unfortunate seal, believing itself safe on the thick ice, is flung into the frigid water, where it stands no chance against the waiting orca pod's relentless attack. This is clear evidence of their superior intelligence, showcasing complex teamwork and an advanced understanding of environmental dynamics. Truly remarkable. Another example of orcas' intelligence and daring comes from Argentina's coast. Here, they are true adventure athletes, developing a bold, highly risky hunting technique. These orcas deliberately launch themselves onto the beach, an action called beaching, to snatch young sea lions basking or resting. A truly audacious move. After capturing prey, they skillfully contort their massive bodies to slide back into the water safely and swiftly. This technique demands extremely precise calculations. It requires extreme precision regarding tides and terrain. A small mistake could leave them stranded on land, a testament to their intellectual prowess. Even more astonishing than the boldness of this technique is its transmission. This is an extremely dangerous skill, demanding not just strength but absolute precision. Beaching. It also requires extensive experience and the ability to read the environment. A young orca is guided step by step by its mother or older pod members. They practice together on the beach, bit by bit, until the young one masters beaching and retreating safely. This complex knowledge transfer across generations is the core. It forms the unique hunting culture of the orca species, affirming their position of superior intelligence. They stand unrivaled in their strategic prowess. Their complex planning for collective hunts, intricate communication system with diverse signals and sounds, and astonishingly perfect coordination among pod members are unparalleled. Especially, the transmission of complex hunting knowledge and skills across generations has placed orcas in a league of their own in the animal kingdom. They are not merely fierce or powerful predators. They are the ocean's greatest minds, brilliant strategists, and symbols of intelligence evolved to the highest level. Thus, we've explored the impressive journey of the planet's 5 most intelligent predators. From the tiny strategist Portia spider, hidden in the bushes, to the winged engineers of the sky, the crows with their tool-using and crafting talents. Then, the complex hunting societies in the deep forest of chimpanzees, the superbrains of dolphins beneath the ocean, and finally, the great minds with a hunting culture of orcas. They all prove an undeniable truth. Intelligence is the ultimate weapon, far surpassing all muscular strength or sharp fangs. It is nature's most effective tool for survival and dominance. So, which predator's intelligence impressed you most on today's list? Or do you know other worthy candidates for this ranking? Don't hesitate to share your interesting thoughts and opinions in the comments section below this video. We love to hear from you. If you love unique discoveries and fascinating stories about the wild animal world, don't forget to share this video, and especially subscribe to channel name so you don't miss our exciting next videos. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye and see you in upcoming videos.
Your thoughts. Which of these animals do you think is the smartest predator?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.